Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Explorer in Windows 11 Easy Guide. Open File Explorer, learn to navigate folders, and set up quick access for top folders. Customize views, sort by date or size, and use the search box to find files quickly. I will also show how to use the ribbon and context menus for copy, move, and properties so you can work faster and stay organized. Open a folder and create a clear structure so you always know where files live, and use consistent names like Project Client Date to stay organized. Pin important folders to quick access and use the Details pane to check file type and size. Sort by date modified or name to find recent work quickly, and use copy, move, or shortcuts to avoid duplicates while managing space and backups efficiently. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy tech guides. Quick recommendation. The product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, great for reading manuals and notes on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested, and it makes a nice companion while organizing files. Now let's get back to the video. Use the search box at the top to quickly find files using keywords, filters, or file types like kind, PDF. Right-click files to access properties, open locations, or restore previous versions when needed. Enable file history or connect OneDrive to keep backups and sync across devices. Learn to use the ribbon tools for compressing, sharing, or burning files, and practice safe file handling to prevent accidental deletions and manage storage space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.